Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Boko Boko. I received a message from one of our wonderful viewers. So this is Nilofer. Your recipes are all top rated according to my knowledge, dear. Please, I want you to investigate dish is known as Boko Boko. It's an Arab dish from Dar es Salaam or probably Mombasa. If you can show your subscribers how to make it, thanks, dear. So Nilofer, thank you so much for your messages, and we really appreciate the fact that you are patient. So what we decided, me, especially my sister, that we are going to make this Boko Boko, and as you asked, that we investigate about it. So what we did was we did a bit of an investigation. We made some phone calls to Dar es Salaam to one of my aunt over there who lives in Tanzania, and thank you to Nusradati for helping us out with this one. So we then found out how to actually make this. We realized that this is an Arab dish. This is the equivalent of what we call Haleem in the subcontinent. So this is an Arab way of making Haleem, but then you can say that the Arabs are the ones who actually are responsible for its inception. So we had a look at it and we was like, okay, this is a very famous dish. But the Arabs came down to Zanzibar some decades ago and they taught people in Africa how to make this celebratory dish, and we was like, let's fulfill your request, Nilofer, and with that, let's move on to the recipe. like this video, beneath this video there's a like button with a thumbs up. Please hit that like button. Please, por favor, lutfen. Very important for us, it really means a lot to us. Also hit the red subscribe button so that you subscribe to us, and that is a word of confidence to us. And with that said, catch you in the next one.